Hello, welcome back to Think Big Digital. So today's question is, can you add music to a Facebook reel? You can add any music or someone else's original audio to your reel using the audio library. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a music to a Facebook reel. For that, we will have to open Facebook Creators Studio. Let's use the Microsoft Bing. Then click on Creator Studio Facebook and you will be directed all of your profile section here. Now, as you come to Facebook Creator Studio, you will see Create Reel option. Tap on this. Now, in the Create section of Create Reel, you will see Add Video, which will be published as a reel. So just add a video from your files. At the right side, you will see a small preview version of your reel here, and also which audio you have input here. Now go to Edit option here. Click on Edit, and you have to do two steps here. First, you have to unmute your video, and then you'll have to turn your original audio volume to 0. Now, whatever audio was in the video or your reel won't be heard as we have muted our audio here. Now search for your audio here and you will find every music here. Now tap on the music you want to add. You can also adjust your audio volume here. I'll tap on next, or you can also tap on this share button. I'll just tap on next. Now you can also schedule your post from here, and you won't be needed to schedule from the manage post section. You can also save this reel as a draft and you can post it later. Now just click on share, and after a few seconds this reel will be posted, and now we will go to our Facebook profile to see if it's posted or not. Now just go to your facebook.com and tap on your profile section. Go to your profile and you can see my reel is posted here. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial.